She's either gonna roll over or scratch her own eyes out. Not sure which.
Her head's got the right way. She doesn't her body.
Her shoulder's in the way. Amber, don't.
Does that say J.J.
Yeah. J.R. J.R.
Almost there, Naomi.
No, delete that. Yeah, R. Oh.
Almost there.
You can do it. Just get angry. Yeah.
Get angry.
Get angry.
Maybe these are.
Just leave her. Just leave her, Amber. She's fine.
Well, her baby hurt out.
She's okay. She's okay. You can do it. Hold on just 1 minute.
Roll over.
You can do it. Don't give up. She's so mad.
Come almost there, Naomi.
She's so mad.
Keep talking. Maybe she'll actually.
Naomi, come on. You can do it.
You can do it.
She said no. Get angry.
Get mad.
Get angry.
Is it her outfit that's stopping?
No, she's just not quite pushing on. Oh my
It's
goodness.
her shoulder.
She's so mad. Lily, that's enough.
Come on, Naomi. Push. Go.
Push, 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 push.
Roll over.
Roll, roll.
So close.
It really is.
It's her shoulder.
Yeah, it is. It's okay. That's how she learns.
She can see. Is that it? That's all you got?
That totally makes sense.
Okay, back to work, everybody. Break
Lily,
time's
Lily,
over.
Lily. Hi, Naomi. Hi, sweetheart.
Are you frustrated?
Hi. Can you roll over? Hi.
She's like, I'm tired.
Are you mad? Are you mad at us? For just leaving you there? Oh, that didn't help.
What was her mouth doing?
She's chewing on her lip. She's angry. She's gonna eat her chin. Hi. Hi. You just gonna stay there? Kinda
like-
got halfway.
She's gonna think the rest of this through.
You just got tired out. All tired out. All tired out.
All right, now try again. Go ahead.
Hey. Oh, that didn't, you didn't like. Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Oh my goodness.
Oh. Roll over, Naomi.
Oh, she's so close. And she's so mad at us. And she's tiring herself out.
Come on, Naomi.
She's frustrated.
One more time.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Wait. Come on, Naomi.
She's
last
tired.
One
No.
last time.
That's okay. That's enough. Amber, will you roll her over? She'd probably still be mad.
You did it, kind of.
Did that solve your problems?
You kind of did it.
Did that solve your problems?
Wow, she gave herself static.